Namaskar. At the Yoga Institute, I come across many patients who have low hemoglobin and even anemia. It is very common in women in developing countries. The symptoms are tiredness, fatigue, paleness. Today, let's see a simple and wonderful recipe made with hibiscus flower that will help in overcoming anemia by increasing hemoglobin level. Let's go through the recipe and understand how to do it. So for making hibiscus tea, take 1 cup water, take 2 hibiscus flower petals. Hibiscus is called as jaswant in Marathi. Take lemon juice. Let's see how to make this tea. Boil the hibiscus flower petal until it reduces to half. Strain the mixture, add a little lemon juice and sip and enjoy this vibrant, healthy drink. Hibiscus petals have good amount of iron. This is like a building block for hemoglobin. Carries oxygen to the entire body. More iron means more power to hemoglobin. These petals also bring along vitamin C that helps our body to absorb iron better. It's a teamwork, iron and vitamin C working together to make sure that our blood stays strong and healthy. Lemon juice also has lots of vitamin C. By adding lemon juice, we make sure our body gets most out of the iron in our tea. Lemon juice also has antioxidant that protects our blood cells from getting hurt. If you have low hemoglobin, then make it a habit to enjoy a cup of hibiscus tea every day in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach for 15 to 30 days. You may also help other ladies like household workers and so on to help their hemoglobin increase. So, take a break. Feel fresh and fine by sipping this lovely drink and remain healthy. Namaskar.